I would ask everyone to just have a little patience.
Patience as the most contentious part of SB 1070 goes into immediate effect. And even though this has been 2 years coming, there are a lot of questions left to answer, namely, how will this impact your life? Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Jennifer Waddell.
And I'm Guy Atchley. 9 on Your Side has been working all evening to answer that question for you.
Now, it turns out there is no one single answer, but we have found out some things that will make things a little easier for you. Kevin Keene is live with us, 9 on Your Side, Immigration Watch.
Jennifer, because of the court's decision today, Tucson police officers are patrolling streets like these under new orders tonight. Those instructions came from the chief and they could affect you. Police Chief Roberto Villaseñor says every one of his officers received instructions on how to enforce the so-called show me your papers provision.
I'm also instructing commanders in the field to attend every briefing for the rest of the day and go over the PowerPoint with their officers and be available to answer questions.
That is one immediate effect of the court's decision. Another concerns you. 9 on Your Side asked the chief if there's any new need for anyone to carry identification with them at all times.
If they have documentation that allows them to be in the country legally, then yes, I think that they should carry that with them at all times. I mean, that's the purpose of that documentation. If they have other documentation, if someone's driving a car, they have to have a driver's license. That's presumptive ID that will satisfy the inquiry of the officers.
The judge's decision has officers and agencies statewide moving quickly, making sure everyone is trained. Governor Jan Brewer also moved quickly Tuesday, praising the decision. In a statement, she wrote, "Today is the day we have waited for more than 2 years. Today is truly an important day for Arizona and supporters of the rule of law, but it is also a day like any other for our men and women in uniform who are charged with fairly and impartially enforcing the laws of this state, now including SB 1070. Opponents of SB 1070 spoke up too. In a statement, Tucson City Councilwoman Regina Romero wrote, she reiterates her opposition to Arizona's anti-immigrant, anti-Latino law. This law legitimizes racial profiling, and we want to be sure the public has an opportunity to ask law enforcement how they will work to avoid discriminatory practices." And Councilwoman Romero, along with the city and community groups, have organized a forum to help people be able to ask the questions that they may have about what happened today and what will be happening going forward. The event is next week, Tuesday night, when we posted all the information that you need to know on our website, KGUN9.com. Live on the east side, Kevin Keene, KGUN9 on Your Side.
Kevin, are officers statewide already trained?
Not everyone just yet. TPD is in the process of making sure that everyone successfully went through the training. DPS, as another example, says that it's still educating its officers.
Kevin, thank you.